Good morning, everybody. Hope you're having an awesome week. This is Josh Ezell with Breakthrough Real Estate and Property Management. Today's tidbit is a follow-up from yesterday where we talked about internet lead, having your follow-up plan for internet leads. Today is having your follow-up plan for open houses. Open houses, a lot of people aren't fans of. I, on the flip side, am a huge fan of anything you could do that gets face-to-face contact. Open houses are the closest thing we have to a storefront. Take advantage of that. If you can, there's no bad open house. If nobody's there, you could be making phone calls. If people are there, you've got face-to-face contact. Okay? So let's get into your follow-up plan. The general rule is 1 out of every 18 to about 25 people who sign in to your open house will turn into a sale. Okay? So many agents, unfortunately, don't have a plan to follow up with them, right? So let's create one right now. Number one, when they come in, get their name, get their phone number, get everything. If you could do one of those automated things that automatically pings them, perfect, right? To make sure you get the information. Don't be afraid to ask for information. If you provide value, people will give you information, okay? Don't be right over them. Welcome to my open house, give me your information. Don't do that, no. Provide value. Find their need. And even if it's at the very end, hey, let me set up a portal for you because it sounds like this isn't the right home for you, but we could find it, right? And how do you do that? You ask them questions. By asking them questions, you build rapport. It makes sense, right? So once they leave, you finished your open house, I suggest if you can, do a quick video, whether it's BombBomb, whatever. Send them a quick video. Thank them for coming in, right? But make sure you notate as much as possible. That's why I love video because, hey, Cheryl, Craig, thank you for coming in. Hey, remember that how we were talking about you guys need a 4-bedroom home. This is only a 3-bedroom home. I'm going to go ahead and set up that portal for you right now for your little kid, little Susie, blah, blah, blah. And I think you said your puppy's name was such and such. So let's try to make sure we have a yard for him. Sound good? Great. Talk to you guys soon. Right? Boom. Moving on. Right? So you send them that immediately. Set them up for a portal. That way they have follow-up. Portals are wonderful ways to stay in contact with you, not the other Zillow and realtors out there. You know what I mean? And then create your plan. It was an open house. There's a reason they're looking, right? So follow up with them. Hey, how's the search? Did you get our portal? Right? A person that comes in is typically faster. So these people can be anywhere from 30, 60, 90 days out. They could be neighbors looking to eventually sell their home. So follow up with them fresh on mind, okay? Follow up with them that day and then call them. And again, make sure your follow-up plan is at least 90 days out, okay? That's it for today, guys. Have a great day.